We're at Dave & Buster's at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach. We're going to go in and have some fun. Here's the bar area. It's also the area that you eat in right now. They do have other dining areas, but they're closed down right now, I think, just because they don't have as many people. And they do have the tables spaced out some. So that's definitely an option if you're looking for a drink or some food here. Also, they do have a billiard area with the pool tables right over here. Let's take a tour and see all the games that they have to offer here. We've got a lot of different game options. We've got sports games, we've got coin pushers, which we happen to be a fan of. They do have hand sanitizer out, which is great to see. More coin pushers. Got a really giant claw here, claw game. Bowling. Guitar Hero. Skee ball. It's always fun. That's a blast from my past. Always had a good time playing that as a kid. Full tilt. And then this is our favorite game here, the Star Trek coin pusher, and you can get cards from the original Star Trek series right now. They change them out sometimes. We really enjoy this. It's a lot of fun, and the cards and the tokens can be turned in, not the silver ones, but the orange and blue ones can be turned in for prizes. I'll show you their prize shop. The ring toss, some carnival style games. They do have air hockey. Basketball game. They have a VR system. Looks like here's the different reality games they have right now. More basketball. You can see they have a huge variety, so it doesn't really matter what your taste is in games. They're going to have something that you're going to enjoy here. And then here's another retro game that I love. It's Space Invaders, only it is giant size. Another claw machine. We've played this as well. This is a lot of fun. It's, you know, it's sort of like a spin the wheel type game, and this is another one that gives, you know, stuff that you can turn in for prizes. Some of the games do, and some of the games don't. Most of like what I would call video games, like arcade games, do not give the tickets for prizes, but a lot of the skill-based or random, you know, chance type games do. The Hot Wheels game. Halo. Here's another retro, Pac-Man. Walking Dead. Piano keys. If you don't know this, Dave & Buster's has Half Price Wednesday, where the games are half price, just like the namesake says. Definitely check their website though, make sure they're still doing that. At the time this video is recorded, they were still doing that. The motorcycle games. Jurassic Park. driving games. Captain Marvel. And here's the other side of the bar as well. And they do have some of the booze sort of separated, and so that's nice as well. House of the Dead, Mario Kart, Ghostbusters, Star Wars Battle Pod, and there's the virtual reality on the other side. Dark Escape 4D. Typhoon. We've actually played Zombie Snatcher. This is a lot of fun too. It's another skill-based type game. A lot of fun. Jelly Lab. Some SpongeBob coin pushers. Shooting game. So as you can see, they have a ton to offer here. I think the whole family can find something that they want to play. And as you can see also, this place is huge. In addition to hand sanitizer, back here towards the prize area, they've actually got gloves as well. That's nice. And also, of course, they have a restroom here, so you can always go in there to wash your hands. But let's take a look at what kind of prizes they have. We've got a wide variety of stuffed animals, toys. We've got some really big stuffed animals, games, puzzles. Little drone. Some hats. Funko Pops. Blender. Glass set, GoPros, some Xbox One games, some Dave & Buster themed merchandise, and I think my favorite is the rainbow poop emoji with the unicorn horn. Brian is getting in a little bit of the Star Trek coin pusher right now. I love the sound effects from the show. It's pretty neat. Looks like you got a good board here. Lots of stuff on it. Lots of tokens. Wow. There is a rare card for each set. Just as a tip. This is the rare card, and there's both a standard set of the cards and also a hologram set of the cards, and so you can collect all of those. Obviously the hologram set's worth more, and a full set is worth more than turning the cards in individually. If you've ever played a coin pusher, you aim the coins and they fall down, and then they push the other stuff down, and of course it's slanted a little bit against you, so it's hard to get them down the way you want, but you're just basically moving everything forwards, and there is some skill involved. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.